Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two note-taking platforms, which is Notion and Taskade. So let's get started with the breakdown and the comparison review about these two platforms. In 2025, Notion remained a top-tier note-taking and productivity tools known for its all-in-one flexibility. It combines note, task management, databases, and collaboration into one workspace. You can build anything from simple to-do list to full project, task board with drag and drop blocks, AI writing helps, and powerful template. Notion is ideal for teams, creators, students, and anyone who want a customizable, organized digital workspace. Then talk about Taskade, on the other hand, meanwhile, focus on real-time collaboration, mind mapping, and structured task lists. It's more lightweight and faster for quick team brainstorming or outlinking tasks across different views. Taskade also has built-in AI assistance for writing, planning, and automating workflow. While it's not as deep as Notion in terms of database power, it's easier to use the fast real-time planning. And here's a better conclusion and comparison about these two platforms. So you can easily choose Notion if you want a powerful, flexible app for deep planning, notes, and personal knowledge management. Then pick Taskday if you want a faster, real-time collaboration tools for quick ideas, tasks, and team coordination. So for advanced customization and structure, Notion win. For speed and simplicity in terms of tasks, Taskday is the best. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this comparison review. And if you find the review helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.